Welcome to my channel Yoga with Sandy. Always start with 2 minutes of meditation. It helps to concentrate on your body. Sit on this position. Just try the reverse counting 50 to 0. Count the numbers slowly as much as possible. Now take a deep breath. Relax and let's go to the asanas. First asana is Bhujangasana. From this position, place your hands on the floor beneath the shoulders. Now inhale and head up. Keep your elbows straight and feel together. Stay on this position at least for 20 seconds. And exhale down. Relax and take a normal breath. Now lift and sit back in child pose. The next asana, downward facing dog. Now lift your body and tuck your toes. Always check your flow. Now tight your stomach and thigh muscles. Try to lift yourself up to lengthen your spine and make yourself comfortable. Stay as long as you can and take deep breath and maintain the V position. Relax. Now slowly come down to the position. Now repeat the same asanas. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly come to the position and take a deep breath. Now lift and sit back in child pose. Relax. And the next turn for downward facing dog. Come to the V position and make yourself comfortable. Now tight your stomach and thigh muscles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Now relax and come to the child pose. Take a deep breath. And the next asana is Vrikshasana. It's called tree pose. To get into the tree pose, transfer your weight over to the right side and place your ankle as close to the ground as possible. Like this, take your hands over the head. Try to straighten your spine and lengthen your upper body. Keep the proper alignment in this pose and look straight to maintain the balance. Now relax and repeat the same on the other side. Place your ankle on the left leg and move your hands over the head. With straight spine, lengthen your upper body. Now maintain this pose at least for 20 seconds. Come to this position. Ready? Relax and take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Relax. Guys, let's repeat the same on the other side. Come to this position. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. And the next asana is Virabhadrasana. It's called warrior pose. From this position, turn your ankle and bend your knee to the same direction. And no changes in the another leg. Stay this pose at least for 20 seconds. And keep your breath normal. Now relax and repeat the same on the other side. Take a deep breath and stay on the position. Now relax. Get ready for the practice session. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Now repeat the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Now relax.